you gotta give them face. You can't just look plain into the camera. Give them a smile or give them smiles. Just like that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today, we're making vegan sloppy joes 2 ways. Let's get started. So I am joined by my sous chef, Marley. We are going to show you guys how to make this 2 different ways using lentils, the traditional way of making sloppy joe, and we're going to show you using mock meat, and we're going to put a little Asian flair on it. Are we going to help the people do it? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? All right, let's start off by putting some oil in the pan. Just a dollop. There we go. A medium red pepper, all chopped up. 1/2 cup of chopped celery. And 1/4 cup of diced onion. Mixing it all up. I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm gonna cover this, let it soften for about just 2 minutes.
Don't judge how big this, stop it, stop it.
All right, our veggies have softened just a bit. I'm gonna add in our cooked lentils. This was a cup of uncooked lentils. We're now gonna add in a cup of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Clearly we need to add in another 1/2 cup of ketchup. So now we're at a full cup of ketchup, people. All right, I'm gonna give this a taste, and if this tastes good, then we're done. We're done with version number 1. I love it. It's a little sweet, but I'm not a sweets girl. We're done. Now it's time for the second sloppy joe recipe. I got this straight off delish.com. I saw it scrolling. Was that on Instagram? I don't know, but it said it was Asian inspired sloppy joes, and I said I gotta get on that. So let's get started on recipe 2. I already said that. I talk too much. We're gonna start off with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/2 cup chopped onions. Stir that together until you start to smell the onions. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm now gonna add in our beefless crumbles. You can use your favorite brand.
This was on sale.
Now, the mock meat and the lentils are interchangeable, guys. I just always have comments that want to know, how would it taste if we use this? Or how would the texture be? So I'm using both, but you can use either or on these recipes. 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. I am excited. I did not try this recipe out before showing you guys, so this is going to be new to me. I almost forgot salt and pepper. I'm gonna taste it first. Hold on. I mean, I like it. It's not sloppy joe. It's not supposed to be. But I love the Asian inspiration. Okay, she wants some. Tell the truth. I don't know what that means. All right, let's plate these bad boys up. All right, you guys, I am here with
Donovan Williams.
He agreed to come over and taste our sloppy joes 2 ways. He already figured out that one of them is lentils and the other is a mock meat. There you go. Look at you, professional. You've been on 3 or 4 episodes.
I got the program down.
Got it, got it.
Can we eat now?
Let's try the lentil one first.
Oh, okay.
And because the mock meat one has a little surprise in there. Flavor-wise, like flavor-wise.
Is it legal?
It's legal. I can't.
Oh, that's surprising. I got a confession.
Okay.
I was so ready to say, that's a nice attempt, Aaron. But I love you, so I can shade you.
You can, and the people want the truth.
But I said lentil. That ain't no sloppy joe. That's a soppy. I don't know. But anyway, this is it's good. Your seasonings are on point.
Yay! I thought it was too sweet. You think that's still okay?
Okay. I'm from the South. Our sloppy joes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sloppy sugar. Okay, that's fine.
They sweet.
Go with the other one. This looks more like real, like.
Yeah, it looked like real meat.
Did y'all see this? Hold on, focus.
It ain't focusing, it's okay. We can just do it.
I love this.
Yeah, that's more traditional texture and everything is good. But yeah, you got something in there that I don't recognize.
So this is Asian inspired. I have soy sauce, hoisin sauce,
But it was, okay, there we go. Get a little different flavor to it.
I saw it on Delish and I was like, ooh, Asian inspired sloppy joe.
It's still Asian. So that's a sloppy joe sauce.
I didn't say that. I didn't say none of that, y'all. None of it.
Both are good. Both are really good. Yeah, the texture. This is like a real sloppy joe. I'm pleasantly surprised with the lentil though.
Yeah.
That's a good flavor.
Yes.
I would do that.
Lentils, yes. Whoop whoop.
This is my meat. I gotta try this.
It is. This is it. Well, y'all, another successful recipe. Y'all can definitely make this for family, friends, barbecue.
What?
Nothing. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Can you do it? Peace.